Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss that what steps you need to follow if you are getting an issue that in Google Chrome your screen is tending towards the right or towards the left. So very simple steps you can follow to fix this issue. The first step is you need to open up your Chrome browser. Go to these three dots and click on settings. Once you are in settings, then in the search bar just type in hardware. So that should bring up this option, use hardware acceleration when available, turn it off and relaunch your Chrome. Once you have relaunched your Chrome and it is working fine, then the issue of screen should be solved. In case it is not solved, then you need to check if there are any updates for Chrome that you have not still installed. So for that, in the settings page only, go to about Chrome, and here if you are getting this message Chrome is up to date, that means your Chrome is already updated and there are no pending updates. That means you can go on to the third step to solve your issue, and that is in the reset settings. There is an option that says restore settings to their original defaults. Just go to there and click on reset settings. Once it is done, restart your Chrome browser and then the screen issue in Chrome would have been solved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.